What's going on? This is JTL M&P. That's making and producing RC drift. So drift RCs. All right. So we got the truck loaded up, unloaded. We got the table riding. It was a good day. I had fun with the table. It was chaos, but good chaos. You guys are gonna love it. All right. First step is unload. So we made it. All right, I got all the cars set up. Keep them all ready to go. So I got 4 total. All right, try and do a donut. Yeah, dude. They are wild. Like if this is the actual drift RC, you know, like a drift track, there'd be kamikazing everywhere. Okay, we got some donuts. We got some little swirly swirls. We got some swirls. No control at all, but you know, they're youngins. You gotta give them some, gotta give them a little bit of a break. Look at them getting in front of the camera. Getting all set up, ready to go. We got cars going backwards, got cars going forward. Got cars sliding and stopping. That's how it be. Ooh, close calls. Good thing these cars don't take damage, because it'll be bad. Hey, next time I'm gonna have bumper cars shoot, like roller derby, crashing. Have it where be on a table and they have to stay on the table or something like that. Yeah, look at them sliding. Yo, kamikaze. Look at them doing donuts, spin. The neighborhood cat approves. Hello, neighborhood cat. Seeking some shelter from the rain.
She's fine. It's my